3-ingredient juice recipe to flush kidneys, reduce bloating and stop joint pains. This juice is a unique 3-ingredient combination of superfoods that does much for your heart, kidneys and relieve joint pains caused by inflammation. It helps to flush out the kidneys, reduces bloating and swelling and stop arthritic pains effectively. How often to drink? If you have any of the ailments mentioned below, drink about half a liter, half quart, at least 3 to 4 times a week for optimal results. Briefly, this juice recipe when combined provide many health benefits. Good source of calcium in the right absorbable combination. Cleanses your kidneys and help detoxify heavy metal toxicity. Relieves joint inflammation and reduces silent inflammation. Prevents other inflammatory ailments like gout and asthma. Strengthens your immune system. Highly nutritious to prevent many chronic diseases. Lowers high blood pressure, reduce celery amount if you have low blood pressure. Helps ease headaches and migraines. Has a calming and soothing effect on nerves, promotes quality sleep. Increases red blood count. Prevents the formation of calculi or kidney stones. Relieves premenstruation symptoms such as water retention, bloating and cramps. Improves eye health. Many more. Let's look at each ingredient more closely. 1. Celery. Many people don't consider celery a key part of their health regime. This is due to a popular misconception that celery is just packed with water and no health benefits. Celery has anti-inflammatory properties that protect against inflammation in the digestive tract. It contains unique non-starch polysaccharides that are essential in protecting your body against inflammation. It is also rich in a few known antioxidants, such as quercetin, phenolic acids and more. One other key nutrient in celery is its natural sodium that helps counter the damages done by regular table salt. Where table salt causes high blood pressure, the sodium in celery does the opposite. Together with parsley, the diuretic effect of celery juice is beneficial for breaking up and eliminating kidney stones. 2. Parsley. Much like celery, parsley has natural health benefits that are often ignored. People tend to use this herb to garnish dishes without realizing that it's highly nutritious and can protect against joint pain, kidney, bladder cleansing, promote optimal heart health. One of the key benefits of parsley is its ability to bind with heavy metals and eliminating them for healthier liver and kidneys. In some animal studies, parsley has even been shown to contain compounds that inhibit tumor formation, especially in the lungs. So really, parsley is more than just a pretty herb for garnish. 3. Pineapple. Pineapple is a tropical fruit that is easily available in most parts of the world as it doesn't ripen much more once it is harvested, thus making it easy to be transported to neighboring countries. When including pineapple for juicing, use fresh pineapples, not those canned ones that are soaked in sugar water. The key ingredient in pineapple is bromelain, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory property that reduces joint pains. Although it tastes acidic, pineapple juice has a special ability to help your body balance and neutralize fluids. These qualities make pineapple unique. Anti-inflammatory juice recipe. Ingredients. A whole stalk of celery, about 10 to 12 ribs cut off the base and wash each rib clean. A whole bunch of parsley, as you purchase from the grocer. A whole small pineapple, cut off crown and skin, leave in the core. Instructions. Put all the ingredients through your masticating juicer. If using a blender, add all the ingredients into your blender with a cup of fresh coconut water, or just pure drinking water, and blend till smooth. You may also add kefir and nuts to enrich your smoothie. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.